Alright, so I'm starting the spring replacement, or the airbag replacement rather. So you're going to want to start by lifting your car up significantly off the ground. Now, this rear end is down as low as it can go, but once you take out this shock absorber, this axle is actually going to drop a bit further down, which is what's going to allow you to compress the new spring and put it up in place of the airbag. You are going to need a spring compressor tool, like so. They're cheap. They're about 20 bucks. And if you don't have a impact, go buy a cheap impact. It will be worth it just for this job alone. So make sure the car is up on 4 jack stands. Make sure it's real secure, because you are going to be crawling in under here. And the first place you're going to start is up here. Let's see here. There is a clip right there, which is on top of the airbag. And you're going to start by unclipping that first. Alright, so this is the clip from the top that you removed. And now we're going to go and unhook the airbag. Alright, so I'm going to start by loosening up this 18mm bolt that's right here. It's directly under. That's where your shock absorber is mounted. Now, chances are this has never been taken off, and this is where cars tend to rust down here, so you're going to need an impact for this. It took me quite a few attempts to get this loose, or make sure you have a really big breaker bar. So that's where I'm starting. I'm going to take off that strut, or move it out of the way. That should let this axle drop a little bit, and it'll help me get this airbag out. Alright, next you're going to take either a big screwdriver or a small pry bar, and you're going to get yourself a dead blow mallet if you don't have one, and just kind of send this all the way home to dislodge this, because it's basically only friction and gravity holding it in place. So as you can see, it'll start to come loose here, and that's it. It's pretty much out already. Now, if you can, what I did was I just poked a hole in this airbag to help loosen it up. This shock absorber here, it has a nut at the top. You can't see it right now. It's kind of hard to get to, so we'll see how we work our way around that. But so loosen this up here. Alright, so now we have dislodged this airbag here. And as you can see up top, that's called the solenoid. And there's a couple of little air lines, if you can see, right there. And you can untwist that solenoid, but I'm just going to get a pair of cutters and cut those lines